Hi children, now we are going to learn about angles. Okay, before knowing about the angles, you must know what is ray, line and line segments. Okay, look at here. This is one line. This is one line. Why we are calling this is line means there is no starting and ending point. There is no starting and ending point. It moves both the sides endlessly. Okay, it goes both the sides endlessly. This side also, this side also. That's why we are writing this one arrow here. Okay, arrow means it's moving, right? So it moves both the sides endlessly. There is no starting and ending point. So that is called line. So for example, did you see the road? So on the highway roads and all, do you know that which is the starting point and then ending point? So it moves in all both the sides endlessly, right? So that's why we can say that is line. The same way, train tracks. Did you see the train tracks? Train tracks? Yes. So in the train tracks also there is no starting and ending point. Am I right? It goes both the sides endlessly. That's why the line has no starting and ending point. It moves both the sides endlessly. So that is called line. So what is the meaning of line segment? Line segment in the sense it's a part of a line. So this is line, you know that. So because both the sides we are written this one arrows, right? So this is part of a line. Segment is a part of a line. So it has a starting and ending point. So consider this is a road, okay? This is a road. If we can point, this is Chennai. This is Chennai. This point is Madurai. Okay, Chennai and Madurai. So we have a name of that. It has a point from here to here. So this is called line segment. So it's a part of a line. It has a starting and ending point. That is called line segment. Okay, line segment. Understood? The next one is ray. What is the meaning of ray? It has one starting point and there is no ending points. So it goes one side endlessly. Okay? So it's a start from one place but it goes endlessly in one side. That is called a ray. Did you see this one torchlight? So this is a torchlight. Okay, this is a torchlight. When you switch on the light, what will happen? The light starts from here, but that rays goes in different ways. But can you know which is the ending place? The rays is moving from starting from here, but it goes where it goes endlessly, right? Can you find which is the ending point? No. So the same that's why this is ray. So there is one starting point, there is no ending point. It goes endlessly. That is called ray. Are you clear in this? Line segment, ray. A line has no starting and ending point. It moves both the sides endlessly. Okay? Line segment in the sense it has a starting and ending point. So that is called line segment. It is a part of a line. Okay. The next one is ray. Ray means it has a starting point and no ending point. It moves one side endlessly. Understood? Children, now you know what is ray, line and line segments, right? So what is the meaning of angle now? The figure formed by two rays, okay, formed by two rays or two lines or two line segments with the same starting point is called an angle. That is, you know that this is one ray. First we consider with the ray. This is one ray. Okay. I used one more ray, but starting point should be the same place. So this is the starting point. This is the starting point. So from the starting point, I am drawing one more ray. This is one ray. This is also one more ray, right? So the starting point should be the same. Means it forms one angle. This is the angle. Understood? So it may form through rays or lines or line segments. So we need two rays or two lines or two line segments. We need to form an angle. Okay, a figure formed by two rays or two lines or two line segments with the same starting point is called an angle. This is with the this one rays, right? Suppose if it is line, we are using the line. So line means this is line. Yes, you know that this is line. There is no starting point and ending point, right? So this is one of the line. I am using one more line like this. I am using one more line like this. So it's meet at the point here. Just consider this is as a O. Just name it O. Okay, it meets at the point O. In this place, it makes the angle. Where is the angle? Yes, this is the angle. This is also one of the angle. Here also one of the angle. Here also one of the angles. So four angles it forms. So intersecting two lines, it makes four angles here. Okay. So it is and the four line these all are joined in the one meeting point. So intersecting point. Understood? The same way this is look at here. This is also one of the ray. Okay, this is also one of the ray. This is also one of the ray. So here we are putting the point here and here. So this is what is the meaning of this is here starting and ending point. It has a starting and ending point. So what is the meaning of that? This is line segment. This is one of the line segment. This is also one of the line segment. Am I right? This is also one of the line segments. So both are joined in the meet in the same point. So in this place it makes one angle, right? So line segment also makes one angle. Understood? So the figure formed by two rays or two lines or two line segments with the same starting point is called an angle. Okay. How to identify the angles with the name? How to identify the angles with the name? Look at here. So we have to give the name of the angle. Okay, how to give the name? First, you just consider this is A. You have to keep the name of A. This is O. This is B. Okay, OA is one of the ray and OB is one more ray. We are forming here using these two rays. We are forming one angle. So how to identify the angle? So how to write the angle? You have to write, this is angle. You have to write this L symbol. Then A O B. A O B. Okay. This is the way you have to mention the angles. Okay, so AOB, AOB. So what is the meaning of the angle? Where the angle is formed, that letter you have to write it in the middle. Understood? Otherwise you can write angle O. If you are mentioning separately, you can write angle O. Is it clear, children? Okay, I will tell you one more example with this one. Okay, first you have to write the name of the this one line segments. So here we write this one X and then Y. This is Z. Okay, X, Y and Z. Any alphabets you can keep it for the this one, any names here. Okay, how to mention the angles here? Tell me now. Yes, so first you have to write the symbol and then X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So what is the meaning of that? The angles formed in Y point, right? The angle is formed in Y point. You should not write Y, X, Z. Y, X, Z or this one X, Z, Y, like that you should not write. You have to write X, Y, Z. Then only the Y we are written in the middle, because in this place only the angle is formed. Am I right? Otherwise you can write angle Y. The one more way, you can write Z, Y, Z. Z, Y, X. Z, Y, X. So this way also you can write. Here also you can write like this, BOA. Okay, angle BOA. Also you can write. But the letter where the angle is formed, that letter should be in the middle. Understood? Yes, dear. Can this one is it clear? How to mention the name as well as how to write the angles? Is it clear, dears? Very good.